Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So I tried film this video 3 times but it has failed terribly due to the lighting. So as you have guessed, I'm in my hotel room in Kathmandu, Nepal, and as you have guessed by my recent flight vlog, I'm sitting on the bed right now. Although this is a 5-star hotel which I'm staying at, the lighting is not good according to my standards for filming the video. And I'm sitting on the bed right now, leaning over the pillow. So I wanted to show you something that's been on my bucket list for a while and I got it yesterday. So before I left India, I wanted to buy something and took off from Bangalore International Airport, which is my home, Bangalore. So I went to the duty free in Terminal 2 and bought something. And I named him Co-Pilot because he looks just like a pilot. So I'm going to show it to you now, but quick story. It was 2023 when I came back from Mumbai, from the family trip to Mumbai. So it was a 3-day trip where we saw the famous sights of Mumbai, and it went really well. And I came to Terminal 1, and there was a little store which was having something on sale. At that time, I did not have a YouTube channel or anything, so I wanted to keep it as a keepsake or a collectible, as I would like to call it, to remember the trip. But things did not go as planned because it was already past 2 a.m. because the flight was delayed and we landed late. And the first thing I wanted to do was to go home and sleep. So I did not buy that. I did not decide on buying it. But yesterday, my wish came true after 2 years. So let me show you my new Copilot. Okay, just please do not mind the bad video quality because of the lighting, as I've told you. I'm gonna try moving forward. Okay, I've moved closer to the camera and it has increased a little bit. So let me show you my new Copilot. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is the Kinder Surprise Aviator, and most people see it as a toy, and I got it yesterday at the duty free in BLRT2. It is a travel exclusive which is only available at airports because travelers travel there, and kids and YouTubers like me love to take this. This was actually the most sold in the travel exclusive list, let's just say. Anyway, I don't see this as a toy nor as a collectible anymore, since for the toy I'm not a kid anymore and I'm a teenager, and as a collectible it's already been 2 years and I wouldn't want this to just rest in my room's closet. So what I've decided to do with this, as it is my new co-pilot. So my YouTube channel's name is Captain Naman and Captain Naman is obviously me. And then I thought I want someone to be on my team, but hiring people would cost money to be my co-pilot. And now I can do it with my cousins because they're too small, they're just 1.5 years old. And I did not even want to waste any money hiring people, so that's why I bought this. This is a great co-pilot as per my standards. Anyway, this is a toy in most people's mind, but not me. It's my co-pilot. So I'm not gonna be unboxing this because there are actually some, what is that, 7 surprise eggs inside, which also have a small chocolate about this size and have a toy which can include racing cars or any collectibles. But if I open this, it would be split into two pieces. It's held together by tapes on two sides of the collectible. Anyway, so now let me introduce my new co-pilot. This is my new co-pilot. His name is co-pilot, but the actual name is Kinder. So I won't want to call. I didn't want to call him Kinder. So anyway, let's see what we have in this toy. It has movable hands on both the sides. It's a 360 rotatable, and this hand also moves 360 degrees. And then it comes with a massive cap, which is a soft touch material made from rubber, and this is the cooling glass, blue colored one. So let me tell you the theme for this aviator. So this is called the Kinder Surprise Travel Exclusive Aviator. Pretty long name if you would ask me. So I'm going to keep him on display because he's my new co-pilot. Yeah, this is a good angle. So the Kinder surprise a travel exclusive aviator is a great collectible for me because it resembles a pilot, which is my dream job. So the theme for this aviator is a 1940s pilot. So if you watch aviation movies like me, like World War II movies in aviation, you can see pilots in those days wore thick cloths like a jacket. There were actually two sets of jacket that were about this thick, and inside they were wearing about two sweaters and one shirt. On that they would be wearing this, just like my pilot suit. They would be wearing this. So those ones were very thick because they needed to keep them warm at such altitudes. So they wore several layers, but this is not wearing any cloth because this is obviously a toy. And then they were wearing these caps just like this one. The brown caps were to protect the head, the ears, and the temples from the harshness of those heights. So those were also made from several layers of cloth, so that those were meant to keep it. And for the glasses, and in those days fighter jets did not have any bubble canopy over their heads, so it was basically just glass. You, if you have ever been in a convertible car, it's just glass and it's open on the top. It was just glass, but the wind would hit from all directions, so there was a glass to keep their eyes from freezing and to protect them from any debris which comes at those altitudes. So anyway, on these the hands are movable, the cap is fixed, and so is the glass also. So those do not move, but there is, I thought, is one slight flaw in this. Although this is a great toy, there's one slight flaw. The color of the glasses should match the color of this one. This is a great toy, but if this match the color of the let's just say the handle which you used to grab and you put it to your head, it would be great. And another thing I caught in this was the glass. If it was movable till here, like if you have ever been to swimming and you wore goggles, it's an adjustable one. If it had the goggles type of glasses which was movable, it would be great because I could position it over the eyes just like the aviator. But anyways, I would not like to call them as flaws, but I'd like to call them as slight misalignments, let's just say. The flaw came out of the flow, so I'm really sorry for that, but it was a slight misalignment. So anyway, and these are designed to protect the temples. Extra material here. Okay, so this is a smiling toy with two cheeks and rotatable arms. So yesterday, as soon as I arrived at my hotel, I slept with this guy. Literally, I slept with my co-pilot with my bed. It sounds silly, but yeah, I really love this, and this is my new co-pilot. So although this is a toy, I'm gonna try to give him a handshake. Actually, just don't mind. Okay, so the co-pilot is officially welcome to my channel. So I'm not going to be unboxing it because this is a really precious collectible to me. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And have a nice day as always. And bye bye.